This is the Simmons 8837 adjustment or set screw for the yard hydrant models 800, 4800, and 5800. Now this little screw will thread into the back side of the pivot connector, and it will be used to adjust either the depth or height of the plunger. It'll have the total length of about 3/4 of an inch, and then an outer diameter of the squared head going to be right at about 5/8 of an inch. I'm sorry, a little less than 5/8, just right at about 7/16. And once again, this is the Simmons 8837 adjustment or set screw for the hydrant models 800, 4800, and 5800.